Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are giving a quick guide on managing access permission in Bitrix24 Drive. Whether you are collaborating with the team or managing sensitive documents, controlling who can access, edit, or share the file is crucial. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at the Bitrix24 Drive. Here you can store, share, and organize all your important documents. But how do you control who can see and edit these files? So this particular is a file, so you can give access permission to both folder and the file store in your Bitrix24 drive. From here, you can share, you can give it public link, copy internal link, or share with other users. You can select users from your system which is available here, and you can give accurate access permission like read, add, edit, or full access. Once inside, you can also give access permission to the files that are present in your Bitrix24 Drive folder. Giving access permission of files is same procedure as the access permission of folder. Here, you can give the access permission of edit, add, full access, and read. Managing file permission in Bitrix24 Drive is simple and essential for secure collaboration. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.